The new chapter is Principle of Mathematical Induction. Okay, Principle of Mathematical Induction. The mathematical induction. Number one, the statements. What are the statements? The statements which can be judged which is true or false. Just to be true or false is called an statement. Suppose example 1, Delhi is the capital of India. True. X minus 1 is a factor of x square plus x minus 2. This is also true. A union B equal to B union A. True. There are 13 months in a year. False. 3 divides 9. It is a true statement. Statement means या तो वो true होगा या फिर false होगा. और जिसमें मैथमेटिक्स इन्वॉल्व होगी जिस स्टेटमेंट में वो कहलाएगा मैथमेटिकल स्टेटमेंट्स. नाउ सेकंड, थर्ड एंड फिफ्थ, these are the mathematical statements. Okay. अब इन्हीं स्टेटमेंट को प्रूव करना, it is true for all the values of for natural numbers is called the mathematical induction. The statement is true for all the values of, suppose Pn. Pn means any statement which is true for all values. Suppose it is a statement 10n plus 3. Okay, the statement is this, it is a prime. The statement is Pn equal to 10n plus 3 is prime. Okay, so this should be true for all the values of n. N belongs to a natural number. First we have proved the P1. Put n equal to 1. It is 13. It is a prime number. It means it is for n equal to 1 it is true. Okay. Now put P2. It is also 20 plus 3, 23. It is also true. But P3 means 10 into 3 plus 3. It is 33, which is not prime. It is not prime. 33 is not prime. Therefore, this statement is not true for all the values of natural numbers. Okay. If a statement for Pn is this, suppose it is true for Pn equal to 1 is true. Next P for any value k, for n equal to k, it is also true. And Pk plus 1 when n equal to k plus 1, it is true. It means the Pn is true for all the values of natural numbers. This is the principle of mathematical induction. Now exercise 4.1. This is the exercise 4.1. Now the question number 1. In this video I will solve the question number 1 to 12. Okay. And the next video 13 to 24. Okay. So now question number 1. This is the question of 1. 1 plus 3 square and so on 3 raised to power n minus 1. Series is up to 3 raised to power n minus 1. And the equal to 3 raised to power n minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now we have to prove that it is true for P1. So if we take n equal to 1. Okay. Then the P1 means only n equal to 1, the answer is 1. Only one term value is 1. And the RHS 3 raised to power 1 minus 1 by 2. It is also 1. 2 minus 1, 2. It means P1 is true. Only one term ke liye it is true. Now the Pk, if we put n equal to k, then Pk, it means for k terms, this will also equal to 3 raised to power k minus 1 by 2. Pk is true. Okay. Only just we have to put the k, it is true for Pk is true. P1 true and Pk true. Now we have to prove that for Pk plus 1 is also true. Now we have to prove the Pk plus 1 is true. If it is true, then the whole series is true for all the values of natural numbers. just take 1 plus 3 square, 3 raised to power k minus 1. Next term is 3 raised to power k minus 1 plus 1. Just adding one term more. So this will equal to the series 1 plus 3 square plus 3 raised to power k minus 1, and it is equal to 3 raised to power k minus 1 plus 1 cancel. The sum of this series is given as 3 raised to power k minus 1 by 2 plus 3 raised to power k. Okay, now solve by taking LCM 2. So we get 3 raised to power k minus 1 plus 2 into 3 raised to power k by 2. It is equal to 3 raised to power k common. Okay, so it is 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2. 2 plus 1. It is 3 into k. It means 3 raised to power k plus 1 minus 1 by 2. It means p k plus 1 is true. K plus 1 is true. How is this? RHS is 3 raised to power n minus 1. It is 3 raised to power k plus 1 minus 1 by 2. It is true. P k plus 1 is true. Therefore, Pn is true for all values of natural numbers, only all values of n. Okay. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to n cube equal to n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay. Now prove that n equal to 1 for 1. The P1 equal to, first only P1 means n equal to 1, yani one term. It is one term is 1. And this is in LHS and RHS. P1 equal to 1 into 1 plus 2, 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, it is equal to 1. 2 by 2 is 1, 1 square is 1. It means therefore LHS equal to RHS, therefore P1 is true. For n equal to k, n equal to k means 1 cube, 2 cube up to n raised to power, k raised to power 3, k cube equal to k plus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, so pk is also true. Pk is, which is true, or the pk is true. Now n equal to k plus 1. Okay, now put n equal to k plus 1 means one more term, 1 cube plus 2 cube, k cube, and again k plus 1 whole cube. Now prove. What will be the value? The value comes in this form. One series complete up to k cube, and this is the alag. The 1 cube plus 2 cube plus n cube, the sum of this series equal to n plus 1 by 2 whole square. It means k plus 1 by 2 whole square. ये सम कहाँ से आ रहा है? क्वेश्चन से आ रहा है. और ये टर्म जो एक्स्ट्रा है इसको हम लोग सिर्फ यहाँ ऐड करेंगे, सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए इसको यूज करेंगे. ओके, दिस इज द एलसीएम इक्वल टू 4 k स्क्वायर k प्लस 1 होल स्क्वायर बाई 4 क्यूब. ओके, नाउ वी कैन टेक k plus 1 whole square common. So we get k square by 4 k plus 1 by 4. Okay. Now simplify. It is k plus 1 whole square. It is k square plus 4k plus 4. It means it is k plus 2 whole square by 4. So we can write k plus 1 k plus 2 by 2 whole square. Here is n plus 1. For k it is k plus 1. N plus 1 means k plus 2 by 2 whole square. Therefore pk plus 1 is true. Here we can say that the Pn, the series, is true for all values, for true all values of n. Proved. Okay, now question number 3. The question number 3 is 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 1 upon 1 plus 2 and series is increasing up to n. The answer is 2n, n plus 1. Okay, for n equal to 1. Only for one term, P1 equal to 1 in the LHS. Only one term is 1. And the RHS, P1 means 2 into 1 by 1 plus 1. It is also 1. It means P1 is true. Now Pk, put n equal to k. The series is 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 2 and up to so on 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus k equal to, it means Pk is true. ये हर एक के लिए ट्रू ही रहती है. चेक करना Pk plus 1 के लिए, n equal to k plus 1. This is the important part. 1 upon 1 plus 2, last term 1 plus 1 upon 2 up to k, and next term for k plus 1 means one more term, 1 plus 2 up to k plus 1. Okay, now solve. So we can bifurcate this into two parts. First part is this, second part is this. The answer of this part is 2k upon k plus 1. Now the sum of this series, okay, we know that the sum of natural numbers up to n equal to n plus 1 by 2. The sum of n natural numbers is n plus 1 by 2. So 1 plus 2 plus up to k plus 1, these are the natural numbers. So sum we can write 1 upon n means k plus 1, n plus 1 k plus 2 by 2. This is the sum of this series. Okay, now solve. Now the simplify of this one, k plus 1 here, and now 2 upon k plus 1 k plus 2. Take 1 upon k plus 1 common. So we get 2k, and we can take 2 also common. K plus 1 upon k plus 2. 1 upon k plus 2. Here k. Okay. Now solve. 2 into 2 upon k plus 1. And this is equal to k square plus 2k plus 1 by k plus 2. Okay. So we have to take 2n upon n plus 1. So we, for k plus 1, 2 into k plus 1 upon k plus 2. Okay. It is a square of k plus 1. So we can write k plus 1 whole square by k plus 1 and k plus 2. K plus 1 cancel. It is also equal to the 2n n plus 1. It is 2 into k plus 1 and k plus 1 plus 1. It means pk plus 1 is true. Therefore Pn is true for all the values of this. यहाँ समझ में आ गया. k plus 1 का स्क्वायर है, हमको लाना क्या था 2 into n, यानी n equal to k plus 1. नीचे क्या है n plus 1. It means k plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 equal to this. Okay. Now question number 4. Fourth question is 1 into 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 4 plus n into n plus 1 n plus 2 equal to the n plus 1 n plus 2 n plus 3 by 4. Okay. Now first prove n equal to 1. If the first term is 1, it means first term is 1 into 2 into 3. It is equal to 6 in LHS. And RHS, 1 into 1 plus 2, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3 by 4. This will cancel. 2 into 3, 6. This is in RHS. The LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, P1 is true. Okay. Now for if n equal to k. Take series pk. K into k plus 1 just put n equal to k. It is pk is true. n के लिए ट्रू है तो k के लिए भी ट्रू है, तो सेम चीज है. अब हमको प्रूव करना k प्लस 1 के लिए. इफ टेक n इक्वल टू k प्लस 1, असली यहीं पर प्रूव करना रहता, बाकी ये दो पार्ट तो इजी है. तो p k प्लस 1, द फर्स्ट टर्म सेम, सेकेंड टर्म सेम, एंड k plus 1, k plus 2, and the next term is increase 1, k plus 1, k plus 2 and k plus 3. The sum of this series, यहाँ तक सीरीज का सम क्या दिया हुआ है, ये वाला पार्ट क्या दिया हुआ है, k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3 by 4 and add into लास्ट टर्म इसमें हम लोग जोड़ेंगे और सॉल्व करेंगे. जस्ट वी टेक कॉमन. व्हाट कॉमन? k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3 कॉमन. The term remains k by 4 plus 1. Here is the 1. This is the common. The answer is by 4. देखिए सेम n plus 1, it means k plus 1, k plus 1, n plus 1 means k plus 2, n plus 2, k plus 3, k plus 4. Therefore, p k plus 1 is true. It means Pn is true for all values of n. True for all. Okay. Question number 5. Question number 5 is 1 into 3 plus 2 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 cube up to n into 3 raised to power n. The value is 2n minus 1, 3 raised to power n plus 1 plus 3 by 4. Okay. This series is true for this one. If n equal to 1, P1 equal to 1 into 3 in LHS, and RHS 2 into 1 P1, 2 into 1 minus 1, 3 raised to power n plus 1 means 1 plus 1 plus 3 by 4. Now solve. 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 raised to power 2, 9. 9 plus 3 by 4. It is equal to 3. RHS. LHS equal to RHS. It means P1 is true. For P equal to K, N equal to K, then Pk equal to 1 into 3, 2 into 3 square, 3 into 3 cube, up to K into 3 raised to power K. The value equal to 2K minus 1. Value remains the same. N equal to K, it means the value is also same for K. It means Pk is true. Now for N equal to K plus 1. N equal to K plus 1. The series becomes 1 into 3, 2 into 3 square, K into 3 raised to power K, and K plus 1, 3 raised to power K plus 1. Okay. Now the sum, P K plus 1. Right here P K plus 1 equal to this. The sum of this series equal to given by 2K minus 1, 3 raised to power K plus 1 plus 3 by 4 plus K plus 1, 3 raised to power K plus 1. Okay. Now LCM 2K minus 1 into 3 raised to power K plus 1 plus 3 into 4 times K plus 1 into 3 times K plus 1 by 4. Okay. Now take LCM in these two terms. 3 raised to power K plus 1. We get 2K plus 2K minus 1 and 4K K minus 1, okay, K plus 1 plus 4, 4K plus 4 and the 3 extra by 4. Okay. Now solve 3 raised to power K plus 1. It is 6K plus 3. 4 minus 1, 3. And 3 extra by 4. Take common 3 from here. The 3 into 3 raised to power K plus 1 by 2K plus 1 plus 3 by 4. Okay. 3 common. It is equal to the 3 raised to power K plus 1 plus 1. Okay. And 2K plus 1. We can write 2K plus 1 is 2 times K plus 1 minus 1 plus 3 by 4. The same term can be written in the form. It means just check N equal to K plus 1 here. It means P K plus 1 is true. Okay. Pk is true, Pk plus 1 is true, therefore Pn is by the principle of induction, Pn is true for all natural numbers. Okay. Question number 6 is 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 n into n plus 1 equal to n into n plus 1 n plus 2 by 3. Now if n equal to 1, it means P1 equal to 1 into 2. It is equal to 2 in LHS. This is the first term, simply the first term, and the RHS here is P1, 1 into 2 into 3 by 3. N equal to 1, just put n equal to 1, we get 2. The LHS equal to RHS. You can write LHS equal to RHS, therefore P1 is true. Now for n equal to K, for n equal to k. Now the series pk equal to 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 and k into k plus 1 equal to, the answer will remain the same, k plus 1, k plus 2 by 3. It means pk is true. Now pk plus 1, just pk plus 1, right here n equal to k plus 1. The term becomes 1 into 2, just increase the one term in this series. The terms are like this, just increase one term in this series. Now the k means k plus 1 and k plus 1 means k plus 2. Just increase 1. Okay. Now take the sum of this series from the here. The sum is k plus 1, k plus 2 by 3. Here is k plus 1 and k plus 2. Take common, k plus 1, k plus 2 common. It is k by 3 plus 1. And by simplification we get k plus 1, k plus 2 and k plus 3 by 3. Just n equal to k plus 1, n equal to k plus 1 means k plus 1, k plus 1 plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 1 plus 2, k plus 3. It means it is true for values. You can write same here, k plus 1. Next term is k plus 1 plus 1 and k plus 1 plus 2. In this form you can also write. Okay. Therefore p k plus 1 is true. Okay. The Pn is true for the all values of n. This is the question number 6. Now question number 7. The question number 7 is 1 into 3 plus 3 into 5 plus 5 into 7, 2n minus 1, 2n plus 1. The answer of the series is, sum of the series is n 4n square plus 6n minus 1 by 3. Just for n equal to 1. Okay. So now P1, 1 into 3. This is the LHS and here is RHS. P1. Just put n equal to 1. 4 into 1 square, 6 into 1 minus 1 by 3. 4 plus 6, 10 minus 1, 9 by 3 is 3. LHS equal to RHS, therefore P1 is true. Now for n equal to k. Series remains the same. 3 into 5, 5 into 7 up to 2k minus 1 and 2k plus 1. The value equal to k, 4k square plus 6k minus 1 by 3. Okay. Now solve for k plus 1. N equal to k plus 1. The process start from here. The series is 1 into 3, 3 into 5 and so 2k minus 1, 2k plus 1. And the next term, this is the initial series. For k plus 1 it means increase the one term more. So now put 2 into k plus 1 minus 1. 2k plus 1 means 2 into k plus 1 plus 1. Okay. Now the sum of this series equal to k 4k square plus 6k minus 1 by 3. And solve this. 2k plus 2 minus 1. It is 2k plus 1. And 2k plus 2 plus 1 yani 2k plus 3. Okay. Now multiply. K 4k square plus 6k minus 1 by 3. Multiplying 4k square plus 2k plus 6k, it is 8k plus 3. Okay. Now just simplify. K, multiply this term for the simplification. 4k cube 6k square minus k plus 3 into 4, taking LCM 3, 12k square, 3 into 8, 24k plus 9 divided by 3. Okay. Now simplify 4k cube. K square is 18. 18k square, 24 minus 1, 23k plus 9 by 3. Okay. Now factorize. Okay. Now factorize these terms. Okay. अब इसको फिर सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए, क्योंकि हमको k प्लस 1 के लिए प्रूव करना है, तो हम इस सीरीज को ब्रेक करेंगे. 4k क्यूब 14k स्क्वायर, 18k स्क्वायर को लिखेंगे 14k स्क्वायर प्लस 9k, बिकॉज हियर इज 9 फॉर टेकिंग कॉमन 1. फिर 14k स्क्वायर, 18 मीन्स 14 प्लस 4 4k स्क्वायर, एंड 23 माइनस 9 14k plus 9 divided by 3. Okay. Now take k common. It is equal to 4k square plus 14k plus 9. Just I am factorizing by simple way. The answer is k plus 1. It is 14 k square plus 14k plus 9. Just we have to write in the form of this. Here is k plus 1, right? 4k plus 1 whole square plus 6k plus 1 minus 1. Just we can write k plus 1. We can write here 4k plus 1 whole square. Okay, 4k plus 1 whole square में 4k square, 4 into 2 8k, it means remains here 6k. So we can write 6, 4 1 4, 6k plus 1 minus 1 by 3. It means p k plus 1 is true. Why true? Just n equal to k plus 1 here. Therefore, Pn is true for all values of for all natural numbers. Now question number 8. Question number 8. 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2 square plus 3 into 2 cube and n into 2 raised to power n equal to n minus 1, 2 raised to power n plus 1 plus 2. The value of this series equal to this. Same process for n equal to 1. If this series is only for one term. And RHS this is a very simple part. For one term, just put n equal to 1. 1 minus 1, 0, 2 की power 1 plus 1 plus 2. So this part is 0 equal to 2. LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, P1 is true. Very easy part. And second part, if n equal to k, this is also easy. Just put n equal to k. K 2 raised to power k equal to k minus 1 2 raised to power k plus 1 plus 2. If n equal to k plus 1, जो भी कुछ करना है यहाँ करना है, k plus 1 में करना है. Just p k plus 1. Here is the p k series for k plus 1. 1 into 2, 2 into 2 square up to k into 2 raised to power k. Next k plus 1. Next term is k. It means k plus 1 and 2 raised to power k plus 1. The sum of this series is equal to the k minus 1 2 raised to power k plus 1 plus 2. And add these two terms, k plus 1 and 2 raised to power k plus 1. Now take 2 raised to power k plus 1 common in these two terms. So we get k minus 1 plus k plus 1 and plus 2 here. Cancel. It is 2k. 2k into 2 raised to power k plus 1 plus 2. Now just write k, 2k. It means k 2 raised to power k plus 2. K plus 1 plus 1. Here is the plus 2. Okay. K you can write for k plus 1 minus 1 and 2 raised to power k plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. Just in the series n minus 1 2 raised to power n plus 1 by 2. N equal to k plus 1 minus 1 to k plus 1 plus 1 to 2. Therefore p k plus 1 is true. If pk is true, it means pk plus 1 is also true. Therefore pn is true for all n. Question number 9. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 up to 1 upon 2 raised to power n equal to 1 minus 1 upon 2 raised to power n. Okay. This series for 1. For n equal to 1, p1 equal to 1 by 2 in LHS, and here p1 equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 equal to also 1 by 2. The value is same. p1 is true. Now for k, n equal to k, then pk equal to 1 upon 2 raised to power k. The value equal to 1 minus 1 upon 2 raised to power k. If it is true for k, and also true for k plus 1. Just k terms 1 upon 2 raised to power k. And the next term is 1 upon 2 raised to power k plus 1. The sum of these terms equal to 1 upon 1 minus 1 upon 2k, and here 1 upon 2 raised to power k plus 1. So we can write this term 1 minus 1 upon 2 raised to power k plus 1 upon 2 raised to power k into 2. 1 minus 1 upon 2k. Now take common. 1 minus 1 upon 2 raised to power k common. So we get 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 upon 2 raised to power k common, 1 minus 1. It is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 2k into 1 by 2. It means it is equal to 1 upon 2 raised to power k plus 1. Here is the 1 minus 1 upon 2 raised to power n equal to k plus 1. It means Pk plus 1 is true. Pk plus 1 is true. Therefore, Pn is true for all the values of n. Pn is true for all n. Okay. The question number 10. The question number 10 is 1 upon 2 into 5 plus 1 upon 5 into 8 plus 1 upon 8 into 11 plus 1 upon 3n minus 1, 3n plus 2. The sum is 9 upon n upon 6n plus 4. Okay. For n equal to 1. In LHS, the first term is 1 upon 2 into 5. It is equal to 10. And the RHS, P1 equal to 1 upon 6 into 1 plus 4. It is equal to 10. P1 is equal. It means P1 is true. Now Pk for n equal to k. The series equal to plus 1 upon 3k minus 1 and 3k plus 2. The sum is equal to the k upon 6k plus 4. Okay. Now for n equal to k plus 1. Okay. Now put n equal to k plus 1. We get the same series, just one term more to the previous one. In this series, just we have to put k plus 1 instead of k. Like this, 1 upon 3k plus 1 minus 1 and 3k plus 1 into bracket plus 2. Okay. The sum of this series equal to k upon 6k plus 4. Next, 1 upon, it is 3k plus 3 minus 1, it is 3k plus 2. And it is 3k plus 3, it means 3k plus 5. Okay. Take 2 common. Here is the 2 common, it is 3k plus 2. And 1 upon 3k plus 2 and 3k plus 5. Now common. 1 upon 3k plus 2 common. It is equal to k by 2 plus 1 upon 3k plus 5. Now solve this. 1 upon 3k plus 2 and 2 times 3k plus 5 and multiply this, you get 3k square plus 5k plus 3k and this one is 2. Okay. Now factorize this one. 3k square plus 5k plus 2. You get 3k plus 2 and k plus 1. Factorize by splitting middle term. Okay. This cancel. The remain k plus 1. Now 6k plus 10. Okay. So 6k plus 10 can be written in the form of 6k plus 1 plus 4. It is in the form of n upon 6n plus 4. This is the sum of n terms. N upon 6n plus 4 means k plus 1. It means p k plus 1. It means pk plus 1 is true. By the mathematical induction, by the principle of mathematical induction, Pn is true for all. natural numbers. Is true for all natural numbers. Okay.